All right, so we have learned quite a lot about the responsive design. In this video, we will be building a simple responsive navigation bar. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, what I'll do, I'll just get rid of all of these styles here. Okay, I'll just get rid of all of them. All right. So here we have only these styles for all the elements. Okay, so we have margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box, and we have the font family to this one. Okay. All right, so inside of the HTML, what we'll do a nav. Inside of that, we'll do a div, and here we'll do a h2, like my logo, something like that. Then after this div, we will do the UL tag. Inside of that, we'll have a li tag, and inside of that, we will have the anchor element, which will go nowhere, and do something like home. And then what I'll do, I'll just do something like about, and then do something like contact. And I will add another one, which will be for the pricing. Okay, all right. Okay, now if we go to the browser, this is our navigation bar here. Okay, so what I'll do a class of navigation bar. Okay, and here, okay, I don't want to do that. Then here what I'll do a class of logo. After that, what I'll do a class of nav items. Okay, so hyphen items. And here for each of the li, I'll do a class of nav item. All right, then I'll just copy this one and paste it down here. Once again here. Once again here. Okay, all right. So for the navigation bar, okay, dash bar. All right, I'll do a display of flex, justify content of space between, and align items of center. If I do that, then this happens, which is expected. Then what I'll do, I'll add a simple border of 2 pixels solid and hash ccz. Okay, so this is the border. Then do a border radius of something like 6 pixel. Do a padding of top and bottom of 1 rem, and left and right of 2 rems. Okay, and here what I'll do, I'll add a margin as well, margin of 1 rem. Okay, so that this is visible. Okay, all right. Then what I'll do for the nav items, I'll do the same thing, display of flex, justify content of center, and align items of center. And then I want the column gap, right, of something like 20 pixels, something like that. Hit save. So there we go. Here is our navigation bar. And then what I'll do for each of the nav item, okay, I'll do a list style of none. And for each of the anchor elements, so dot nav item and a anchor element, I'll do the text decoration of none as well. All right, there we go. So what we can do here as well, so let's do something like, for the border, let's do blue violet, and for the background color as well, background color of blue violet, and do a color of white. Okay, if I do that, okay, all right, so my logo is there, but these are not that much good. So for this ones, I'll do a color of white as well. Okay. Okay, so this is our navigation bar, which is good. Now we want to make it responsive for the mobile devices. Okay, so what I'll do here, I'll just get rid of the pricing section here. Okay, so I just want three things. Okay, so this is our navigation bar. So now for the mobile devices, how that looks. So this is not looking good, right? So what I want is that I want inside of this particular layout, whenever we are accessing from the mobile device, I want that these elements like home, about, and contact should be below my logo. So how we can do that? We can do that by using the media queries. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just save that. And here, one thing which I want to do, I want to just decrease the gap of 10 pixels. Okay. Okay, all right. So let's do that. So here, let's write the media query. So @media only screen, and when the max width, okay, is below the 576 pixels. Okay, so then what we want? We want these things. So for the navigation bar, so we have the flex direction set to row. So flex direction, which is row by default, right? So we want to change the flex direction to column. So let's do that. So for the navigation bar here, I'll just copy that. And inside of the media query, I'll paste it down here. And here, what I'll do a flex direction of column, hit save. Now, if I just go here, okay, as you can see, our my logo is on top of the other elements. But for this one, I want a row gap as well. So row gap of 10 pixels. Okay, if I just do that. So now our logo and the navigation items are separated. Now, as you can see, if I just bring down a little bit more, and now we have hit the breakpoint, and that is why our layout is now changed. Okay. So all right, so as you can see, this is our first responsive navigation bar. So if I just go here and if I just do something like this, and let's do iPhone SE, as you can see, the navigation bar looks good. Also, the 12 Pro looks good. For example, iPad Pro. So this is how it looks. Okay. I cannot zoom the page right now, so that is not good, but yeah, you get the idea. So once again, we have the Pixel 7. So mobile phone, we have the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. As you can see, our navigation bar looks quite good. And if I just do this, this is the responsive one. As you can see, our navigation bar is totally responsive. So yeah, in that way, you can build a very simple responsive navigation bar by using the CSS media queries.